Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. In this video I'm going to show you how I build this cute pantry. I started by cutting out the floor which was 18 by 9.25. For the back wall it was 18 by 15.5 and the two side panels were 9 by 15.5. I glued them all together. Then I cut out a door and I saved the cutout to use for the door. Next I glued some scrapbook paper for the floor and some solid blue paper for the walls. I cut some thin strips of poster board for the baseboard. Then I cut out the shelves, which were 1.5 inches wide, and glued all of them on. Then I went back in with thin strips of poster board and glued them under the shelves just for some added support. I glued this small strip of poster board in the door so I would have something to attach the door to. Then I used this little wooden box to cut out a window and used some Barbie packaging for the glass. I then took a metal brad and cut the arms off and glued it on for the handle. Next, I just printed out the word pantry in a text box and cut it out and glued it on the window. Next, I cut out some strips of thin cardboard and glued about 3 together and covered them in a white paper to use as the door trim on the inside of the pantry. I ended up using regular foam board on the outside of the door. I then covered the outside wall of the door with scrapbook paper. Then it was time to fill the pantry. I had a bunch of these little bottles that I got from the Dollar Tree. I filled some with flour, sugar, oats, brown sugar, spices. When I was done, the pantry looked more like a store to me, so I brought in some of the dishes and cups and plates to finish it off. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.